Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you a method to help you grow your nails so that it can be long, strong and healthy. So you're going to need some salt, some table salt. You're going to need some extra virgin oil, some lemon, a cup of warm water and a bowl to mix it all together. So I'll start by pressing my lemon into a tablespoon. So I'll be putting 2 tablespoons of lemon, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then I'm going to pour my water all together, mix it, and dip my hands in the mixture for at least 10 minutes. While my hands are in the mixture, you want to push your cuticles inside so that the solution can really penetrate into your nails. So massage this mixture into your nails properly. Take your time, push in your cuticles, massage and let it sit in your mixture. After your 10 minutes, you want to wipe your hands, remove all the oils, and as you can already see, my nails look more shiny. And what I like to do is take some more extra virgin oil and just massage into my nails so that it can be refreshed and moisturized. And that's it guys, my nails seem already from feel they are stronger, they are stronger and they don't easily break, and then with time they grow healthily without any problems. I hope these tips have helped you, and see you guys in my next video. Thank you.